Hello, this is a custom WordPress landing page overview. Here you can see the main section, call it Hero section. It has call to action form, main features, pictures slider, and navigation button. Next section is advantages in comparison table with other product. Next is functionality list. This is a specification image, testimonials, video presentation, and the last section is shipping and payment information. Now take a look in responsive design. Here you can see is a lazy loading. Now take a look on admin dashboard. Here we have a custom settings with general option, logo, contact scripts, metadata and gravity form. Here we can choose a brand color, for example red, and refresh here. So you can see red, this one red, icons red. This is here we change a brand color. This is a brand name. Select a brand logo, SVG, contacts, address, Facebook, Instagram. We have icons here with links, and these links we can add here. Scripts, header script, footer script, you can add whatever you want. Metadata, cache control, description, keywords, domain URL, and gravity form. You can connect it here if you have plugin, and you can connect the gravity form here. All content we can customize, and it will be here. Front end page, this page, front end page, and edit. Or we can do it another way, from site. If you log in, you can just push this one button, edit page. And now you can see here a few tabs with sections. This section is here. Hero section, advantages, functionality, specification, testimonials, video overview, shipment, testimonials. It's a widget. It's in a widget. So for example, let's change something. Background. select a new background. Man in a car. Select, this is a background from Hero, so update, and this background will change now. Refresh. Yeah, as you can see, background is changed. So this is a gallery slider, this one, pictures. You can choose any pictures here. These features, this one, you can type everything here, and the same in all sections. This one, yes, no, yes, no, features, functions, this functionality, text here, specification image, this image here, you can select any image what you want. Video review, this is a YouTube link. Well, this is a YouTube link, you can add it here. Shipment information, all shipment information is here, and of course one of the main content, this is a call to action form. This is a widget, so we can go to widgets, appearance, widgets, and we have two call to actions form in a footer and in a header. So this in a footer and this is in a header. So we can change everything. We can add bind script for this button. For example, I have script here for Bitrix 24 CRM. You can add any script what you want to this button. So I think this fast overview and main features of this landing page